Hey everyone, we are coming to you live from QVC in our final 1 hour show of the month. It is day 28 of our 31 days of celebrating all things Temp-tations. And from all of your responses and from all of your messages and everything you've been sharing with us, you have been loving it, and we love that. Tonight we have a live studio audience. I can't wait to show you just how beautiful the set looks, all the items that we're going to be sharing with everybody. Hey, Mary Jo, how are you? I see Lisa Lasort's in the house. Ed Tesher's in the house, not only on Facebook Live with us, but also here in the studio. And I think we have some pretty popular niestas and niestas, not that you all aren't, but pretty vocal ones who are joining us this evening, which I am very excited about as well. Hello, Katrina. Hi, Monica. Hi, Cheryl. Do you guys want to see how beautiful the set looks back here? Like, did they not do an unbelievable job? So there are some of our whimsy trays that we have. Hey, Annette. Hey, Ryan. Hi, Terry. Hey, Chris. There's that teapot. These are all our limited edition. Have you guys seen our covered pie dish? I have to say, we have not presented this yet, but it is available. We did a gorgeous sculptural wreath detail where we have those gorgeous ornaments hung. Hey, Denise. Hey, Valerie. Hi, Melissa. Hi, Amy. Wow. Hello, everybody. Who's ready for a little Temp-tations? Kate Wheeler, you'll be in the audience. You need to make sure I know who you are. I would love to give you a squeeze. Look at how beautiful inside. There, of course, is our classic pattern that we love. This piece is stunning. And then look at how fun. I know a lot of you picked up, of course, our little pedestal set, our clocks, our church. So exciting. Here's our little kind of like cart that's always in the back where kind of we keep everything from pot holders and extra pieces and forks and knives and everything we might think. There's a little secret. Bet you didn't know that. And then look how stinking cute this is over here. Of course, we have Frankie. We have the mini loaves in the show. The price goes up at the end of the day, or it might even be right after the show. Jeremy Robert, thank you. Good to see you. Hey, Jamie. Look how fun our Fall-tastic is. Our mitten towel sets. By the way, love those, and you've been loving them too, so love that. So let's talk about the show. Can we talk about how beautiful this harvest table looks? You will have probably the last look at our linens. They're only available this time of the year, and there's nothing on order behind them since they are harvest in design. So if you've kind of had your eye on that, no pressure, but you may want to think about it. Runner, 4 placemats, 4 napkins. So we're getting ready. That'll soon be full, which we're super excited about. Hetty's saying hi. Jen Botts, how are you, my friend? Hope you got my DM. I have to say, Jen actually sent Ed and I to the office a really, really special anniversary present that she made for us. And I got to tell you, it's unbelievable. You are very talented, my friend. Okay, hello, Margaret. Hello, Karen. Hey, Ben, I'm going to walk you on out. Let's go check out the tables that we have out in the hall and some of our friends who are visiting. So let's talk about the table really quick. I didn't want to get you guys in there if you didn't want to be. Glasses! We are debuting our stemless wine glasses tonight. That's right, they're available, set of 4. I know many of you have been super excited about them. Many of you have been asking for them. Yeah, I want that floating in my pool. Absolutely. How do I get that? Hey, Paul, Tara. Did we talk about our microfiber towels? I know Lisa gave you a sneak peek at, see, everybody's always moving. Constantly things going on here. There are microfiber towels. We have them in holiday and we have them in harvest. Check them out online. So much fun. Here we have them here. The lit pitcher is going to be in the show this evening. Really excited about that decor piece. I'll tell you all about it. It's going to be a quick 4-minute sell. So don't blink or you're going to miss it. But look at all the fun stuff we did from our pumpkins, which are customer top rated. So I know you've been loving them. And these are our harvest patterns. So once they're gone for the season. If we do decide to bring them back. And many of you know we can't always do that. So just full disclosure. Hi, Karen. Hi, Mary. Hi, Tina. Hi, Trudy. Hey, did Ed finally say I love my wife? Because I didn't see it yet. Well, hello to the almost 400 people who jumped on and said hello. The mini loaves are in the show tonight. The price goes up. They're amazing. Love these. Ooh, got the lit pitcher. That's exciting. So am I making you dizzy yet? Because I'm very excited. Very excited for the live studio audience. Very excited to see everybody. Monica, oh my God, it's so bad. It's so addicting. You know what? As long as you're using it and loving it every day and giving yourself a nice excuse to get everybody back around the table, then you know what? It's a great investment. It's actually probably pretty priceless. Look at this. I love. Our stylists are amazing. I won't embarrass Celeste since she's standing right there. I won't turn the camera on her, but she's pretty special, I gotta tell you. There are some of the Harvest towels. There's one for Buffetti that says, I'm just here for the booze, B-O-O-S. Ha, is that not adorable? And then give thanks, and it's pumpkin season. Oh, hey, pumpkin. How you doing? So they're really fun. You get a set of 4 in Harvest or a set of 4 in Holiday. Okay, so who's ready for our final show of our 31 Days of Temptations? Can you believe it? It is our final show. We are so excited, and we will be with you very soon. So until then, we will see you on the Q, 7 p.m. Eastern. Hope all of you will pop over and give it a watch. Alberti, hilarious. Wait till you see what our outfits look like together, and we didn't even plan it. Amazing. All right, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye.